Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can add text in DaVinci Resolve 21. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, simply first of all click on effects, then just go to titles, and here you have titles and fusion titles. Whichever you like, you just need to simply drag it and drop it onto your timeline. I'm gonna drag this basic title. So simply drop it onto your timeline, and then what you have to do, simply click on the basic title, go to inspector, and right here you can just rename it. I'm gonna type here add text. Then in order to make it smaller or bigger, you need to go to settings, simply use this X zoom option, and you'll able to make it smaller or bigger. You can also use the position X in order to move it right or left, and Y for move it up or down. Not only that, you can also use this rotational angle slider in order to rotate your text. If you go to title again, you'll see a couple of more options. Like if you just select this color option, you'll able to choose the color for your text. So for the sake of this video, let's say we choose this one, select OK. You can choose the font like this, and also you can choose the font face. You can adjust the size, tracking, line spacing, and so on. Even you can add the stroke, like if we just change the stroke color to this one and just increase it, you can see we have added the stroke. Similarly, you can adjust the drop shadow if you like. So you'll see a couple of options, and you can use those options to make your text the way you want. And that's basically how you'll able to add text in DaVinci Resolve. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.